Let's start. Today we will see 3 ways of integrating CSS into an HTML page. These are 3 ways: external, internal, and inline integration. Let's see the code. We will see the external type first. Open a normal text file. Write this code in that file and save the file as mystyle.css. Here we have coded that a paragraph element should have a background color of blue. Now let's see the HTML code. In the head tag, we have integrated the mystyle.css file like this. A link tag is used to integrate CSS and JavaScript files in the HTML. In the body tag, we have a paragraph tag. Let's run this code in the browser. As you can see, the CSS code in the mystyle.css file has been applied, and the background color of the paragraph tag has a blue color. Now, let's see the internal type integration of CSS. In the head tag, we have written a style tag. Inside the style tag, we have set the background color of the paragraph tag as red. An important point to be noted is that the order of external and internal CSS integration is important. Since I have written the external CSS later, the effects of external CSS will override the effects of internal CSS. Let's run this code in the browser. As you can see, because we had written the external CSS later than the internal CSS, the external CSS got the preference, and the background color of the paragraph tag is blue. Let's change the order of integration. As you can see, now we have written the internal CSS later than the external CSS, so the internal CSS will have the preference. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the internal CSS got the preference, and the background color of the paragraph tag is red. Now, let's see the inline type integration of CSS. Inside the paragraph tag, we have mentioned the background color of the paragraph tag as green. An important point to be noted is that the inline type CSS gets higher preference than the external and internal type CSS. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the inline type CSS got the highest preference, and the background color of the paragraph tag is green now. So that's it. These are the 3 ways of integrating CSS into an HTML page. Thank you.